Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today, I'm not looking good. Whatever. So today we're gonna be doing a video, an unboxing video on a ring light. So this is not a ring light. I know it looks like I'm using a ring light already because I just look so good, but I am not.
Everybody know my name when I come through, but don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in the Beamer with you, and swimming in deep water. Save me from
This ring light came honestly in this. It just came in a bag. It shipped with UPS. Let me set y'all up. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it. No, I'm not. Okay, so let me show you how I pack it. Look at my box, guys. This might bother y'all. Look at it. It's literally. Alright, so this is what it came in, right? This is the MountDog. Let me tell you what I ordered. Alright, so this is the ring light. The box is all fucked up. But you know what, guys? I'm gonna just give them some slack. I'm sure it was at Amazon. I'm pretty sure it was just the delivery person who fucked up mine. All right, so let's get to unboxing, guys. I'm like so bad at setting things up, so y'all gotta bear with me. It smells like package. Wagwan, Jay. I'm not gonna package up, freak it up, just in case I gotta send this like this. You know what I'm saying? So, how about these? So boom, I see this right here, Android or camera. So I'm gonna take some pictures on it with this. That is so cool because you could go far and then click this. Wow, good thing I didn't like toss this. Like, good. Or whatever that means. I'm not gonna use it though. All right, so here is the tripod. I need help with this. I can already tell. I'm so bad at these things, guys. You know, this three things. This right here. MountDog. 10.2 inches. Oh, perfect. Easy direction.
Psych! You thought!
This is the ring light, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm excited. I'm always excited. I love getting new things. So these are the installation directions right here. Alright, okay. Let's do this. I don't know how to say that. Alright, ready? Let's get started. So boom. See? I don't know if this is like a short one. Cause look, let me tell you something. It didn't say like that this is gonna be so short. Even on the package, it's not short. Oh, I think this is what this is. No, that's not what this is. Hold on, guys. Don't listen to me. Ready? Ah, there we go. Okay, like, I wasn't gonna pay that much money. I mean, it wasn't that much money. But I wasn't gonna pay that much money for one that only go right here. Like, what am I gonna do? Sit on the floor? Alright, y'all. So, boom. Installation, step one, pull it out. So, step one, y'all can see me, is to pull it out like this. It don't even pull out that much. Ooh. I feel like I'm finna. Oh, I think you untwist this first, guys. I'm so stupid. Nope, you don't. That's the most fudge. Like, what? Step two. I guess you make this longer. These directions are not too easy for me. I'm not really handy. I'm gonna need a man for sure. want to put it the longest good. Okay, so this is a little flimsy. You see, guys? Alright, to me, I don't care what y'all say. It's flimsy to me. So boom, I'm gonna make it like this. Here, guys, you can see that my tripod wasn't even opened all the way. But because of step 1, I thought it was. Okay, so 3, it says the screw. So I'll assume that's this right here. Yeah. Shoot, you could have told me I was gonna need some tools. What is this? Like, what does this even mean? My mom would be like, really sitting there trying to set this up herself. What am I missing, guys? Alright, so I got everything I need. No, I don't. Oh, that's this. No, it's not. What is this? I thought the directions are good. Like, you know what I don't like? The directions. Let me tell you kind of already about this. It's pictures. Like, put a little bit of writing in it so I know what to do. Like, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is at all. I just see 2 things. I guess that's this. It's like this. Like, what are you talking about? Oh, maybe. Oh. Guys, I think you take this off right here. That's all I had to do, y'all. See, all I had to do was write that down. I'm gonna put that in my back pocket so I don't lose it. You know what'd be disappointing, guys? I think I screw it in here. Yep. So you take that right here. Yes, sir. I wish I could see. I don't know.
A few moments later.
Like, they're like screwed. Like, this thing is just light. Like, or hold up like this. Bro, what do you mean screw? There's no screw. What are you talking about?
Day 4.
Guys, I'm about to like make a. I'm legit about to get off this video, like, for real, because it's just not even working. Like, I don't get what I'm doing wrong because there's no direction. So that's one thing I must say is bad, the directions. And then I don't want to like break it because it's saying to twist this like this. Oh, I think I'm getting it. Yup, I got it, y'all. Finally, it's really complicated though. See? So that's step 3 right there, y'all. Usually I got like my dad doing this with me. Now the whole thing is twisting. Look at it. You see right there? Right there. I was twisting like, is that supposed to even happen? So that's step 3 right here. Step 4 is to screw the mirror on. But this is hard enough for me. Ooh. 12 inches is a feat. All right, so this is step 4 we're doing, guys. Let's do it. I don't know, like, why is the mirror bent like this for? We're gonna have to put this down. I think this makes that go down. See? So first put it down. That's what I would do if I was you. It's over here moving around. Hopefully. I like that. Maybe it's this, it looks whatever. So we're gonna twist that on. Guys, it's so hard. I'm not handy, guys. I don't know if this is the tallest it goes. All right, so that's step 4. I don't get what this is for. Oh, I think it's another holder for your phone.
Bitch, is you blind?
This is the phone part, which I'm not really getting. It looks so tall. What? Oh, so then you loosen this like this? I just don't get it. How the hell is this right here supposed to...
A flip.
Guys, look at... How am I going to put my phone here? Like, where am I going to put it? Like, come on. What am I, like, how am I going to put my phone there? First of all, what is this? A lot of things are very unexplained. Like these, what is this even for? Look guys, this I don't get. What is this for? What am I gonna do with this light all the way up here? Like, I just don't get it. It doesn't bend. I'm gonna look. I got impatient, so I started breaking this because I noticed that people on the thing, theirs have a line, which mine doesn't. So then you really gotta like break this thing in order to. This should have been. So that should have been in directions because now I have a bite mark on my thing, which looks so animal. All right, y'all, perfect. So now we're done. Guys, look at this baby.
Really?
What are you guys? This is my natural light, so we're going to show you the RingLight light. Now it's dark in my room, but my ring light's on. Look, he likes it, guys. Hey, what? 12 inches is a feat. I'm with the king, with the fleet.
Crash the party. Crash the party. Crash the party.